Hey guys, I am about to unbox my package from Amazon Prime. I got two of them. I know what they are. And I can't show you guys. It is Money in the Bank Ladder Match. Oh, stickers inside. That's pretty cool. Okay, Money in the Bank 2022. It is Seth freaking Rollins, almost, Sami Zayn, Sheamus, Drew McIntyre, Mancaff Moss, and Theory. That's the main event. Here's the front, and here's the back. You know what? I'm going to see what the sticker is. Oh. Let's see what the sticker is. What is the sticker? Ooh, it is real Matt Riddle. That's a pretty cool sticker, guys. That is Matt Riddle. That's a pretty cool sticker. I like it. And I got another one. And is Sakamoto Days. Sakamoto Days. Hope I said it right. Let me do a random page. Make sure there's no violence on here. Okay. Here it is. I'm going to tell you more about this guy. Book or manga. It's about this retired hitman who found love, quit. Now people who are trying to kill him now. It's a really good manga. I'm about to read book 2, or manga 2, and I can't wait to tell you guys when the next one comes out. Alright? Alright, thank you guys. Peace out. Take care. Have fun.